Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to set your Discord status to auto-clear after 30 minutes. This is a handy feature if you want your status to reset automatically without having to remember to change it yourself. Whether you're stepping away from your computer or just want to keep your status fresh, this quick guide will walk you through the updated steps. First, start by opening the Discord app on your device. It doesn't matter if you're using a phone or tablet. The process is the same and super straightforward. Once you're in the app, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Tap on it to open your user settings and status options. This is where you can customize how you appear to your friends and servers. Next, right next to your profile picture, you'll find the Set Status option. Tap on that, and it will bring up a menu where you can choose or create a custom status message. This is also where you can manage how long your status stays active. Now here's the key step. Tap on Clear After. This option lets you decide when your status should automatically disappear. You'll see several time options, but for this tutorial, select 30 minutes. This means that after half an hour, your status will clear itself, returning you to your default online presence. And that's it. After choosing 30 minutes, your status will be set to auto-clear, giving you one less thing to worry about. It's perfect for when you want to quickly update your status but don't want it to stick around indefinitely. So, to recap, open Discord, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, select Set Status, then tap Clear After and choose 30 minutes. With these simple steps, you'll have your status automatically reset in no time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your hassle-free Discord experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.